To receive money on Cash App is simple and free. Anyone can send you funds using your unique cash tag, the phone number or email linked to your account, a payment link from your profile, or via Nearby Payments, Bluetooth. To make yourself findable, share your cash tag, contact info, or generate a payment link from your profile. Check privacy settings and account settings to allow incoming payments requests. To actively request money, open Cash App and tap the Payments tab. Enter the amount, minimum 1, and tap Request. Add a note, optional. Search for the person by name, cash tag, phone, or email, or generate a shareable link. Tap Request. If the sender doesn't have Cash App, they can pay via the link with Apple Pay or Google Pay. When money arrives, you'll get a notification. Funds appear instantly in your Cash App balance. Check the Activity tab. Some payments may show as pending. Tap to accept.